Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in Argentina. So let's get started. So here I will just go to Google and I will directly search for top bank business bank in Argentina. Okay, so here I can see. So the first bank is our Central Bank of Argentina. Then we have the Banco de Nacional Argentina. Then we have the Grupo Finance de Galicia and other banks. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account in this Banco de la Nación Argentina. So I will just open the website. Okay. So here I will just go to the website and I will directly click on enterprise. Okay. So basically we are opening a business account. So I will just open here over here. Okay. So here they have the accounts option and the other options. So I will just click on account. Okay. So here we can see the accounts option. So here we have the current account, special checking account, and other. So I will just go to the current account. Okay. So here we can see. So you can start opening a current account by clicking here. So we'll just click on here. Okay. So in a business you have a current account. So you can open a current account from here. Okay. So it's very easy step. So from here we can see. So here you have to give a tax ID, then Gmail, confirm Gmail, and here is your CAPTCHA. Then you have to fill some basic detail and your bank will be open. So it will require a minimum age of 18. You should have a registered business in the country and it should be legal, and some other uh, proof of address and other things will be required. This is how to open a bank account in business bank account in Argentina. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.